Trying to water your plants on a schedule is setting you up for failure, and I hate that so many websites and people out there say water your plants once a week. It's bad advice, let's fix it. Now, I don't know where the water once a week thing came from, but I can tell you that I've got 200 houseplants in my house. Some of them I'm watering daily, and other ones it's kind of just when I remember they exist after like 8 weeks. Watering schedules just don't work, and it's not just a matter of some plants have different care. Some plants have different care in different soils, in different pot sizes, at different times of year, which means it is up to you to know when to actually water your plant. Let's take this plant for example. Now, I water my plants when their soil is about 95% of the way fully dry. For this plant in this soil, that takes about every 5 days. But let's say I took this exact same plant and I repotted it. I used a little bit bigger pot, used a little bit more dense soil, and now it's taking about 14 days to actually dry this out to 95%. See, if I were to keep watering this thing every 5 days, the plant may only be about 30% of the way dried out at that point. Which means that if I were to keep watering that plant every 5 days, I would be overwatering my plant and it would lead to root rot. And then my plant would go to the great compost pile in the sky, and I don't want that because I really like this plant. What I recommend is mentally dividing your home into maybe 2 or 3 sections. For me, it's upstairs and downstairs, but for you, it could be kitchen, bedrooms, and living room. Then you're gonna rotate through those areas one day at a time. For me, day 1 is upstairs, day 2 is downstairs, and then day 3 is my moss poles. If a plant needs to be watered before 3 days is up, I water my plant. If I know that it's going to be perfectly fine for another 3 days, then I can wait and water it on the next rotation. This means that every 3 days, I know that every plant is getting some kind of a quick check.